Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be assembling the Jeep with the canopy top, the Jeep Covered Edition. Alright, so take your hobby clippers, clip away. So take clip like that, clip like that. And then you want to clip like that. And clip like this. There you go. And then take and just grab this whole thing, pull it out, and then clean it out. You could use these clippers to do that. You could sand it down if you wish. There's various tools, X-Acto knife, whatever, be careful, that can do this process. But for now, I'm just clipping it away for the purpose of the assembly video tutorial. Keeping it fairly simple with limited tools. You just want to clip away that plastic. Sand it down if you wish. Might be helpful. Next, take the bumper, clip away, and then clean up the sprue mark. Alright, that piece is good. And now just clip away the sprues from the tires. Alright, so you're good to go. Let's start gluing this thing together. So the first step to do, put some glue along these edges here. And carefully place this hood, the front part, like that. Make sure it's lining up well, it's in good position there. That should be good, actually. Up next, you're going to be placing this piece here. So it's always good to test fit. So put some glue there. And then you can put some glue along these edges there. And put that piece like that. Coming along well. Now for the bumper, put some glue there. Now if you wish, you could use tweezers, but I'll just try it with my hand. I like that. Try to get it centered there. That's good. That's the way it should look. Now let's go ahead and put on the front tires. Or just whatever way you want to do it. I'll put on this side first, then the other side, etc. Make sure that this axle is going in the center of the wheel. Now the other side. Like I said, make sure the axle is going in the center of the wheel. Then you can test fit, make sure all the wheels are touching the surface of the table. Final step of this kit, put some glue on the back like that. And put the spare tire on like that. There you have it, the little Jeep with the canvas, the Jeep Covered. from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com.